Hi, this is Shelley Sparks. I'm here at Restoration Hardware in West Hollywood, and it is there's a beautiful outdoor patio on their roof deck. And sometimes I like to come to places like this to inspire me. And also, the wonderful thing about having a display area like this is that I can see how people use the areas. I can observe the furniture and the pillows and see how they're holding up under our beating sun here in Southern California. And I can get a look at the pots and see how they're being used and what plants thrive and don't thrive in some of these containers. And I just want to point out to you that what they've done with their landscape design is that there's very simple plant materials. There's probably, maybe 3 or 4 that are used or reused. There's, groupings of succulents that are done in very, very bold statements. There's rosemary, there's boxwood, and then some accent plants, other accent succulents, as well as in this case they've also put these enormous olive trees here, which are doing somewhat okay, as well as could be expected in a container situation. The other kinds of things that they have on display here are fire pits and the beautiful sound of the fountains. There's nothing here that's really unusual to look at or things I haven't seen, but very, very nice to see it all so beautifully displayed and laid out in a garden that you can see from the people here is very well used. This is Shelley Sparks. If you'd like more information about landscape design, check out my website, www.harmonygardens.net, or my book, Secrets of the Land, Designing Harmonious Gardens with Feng Shui, available on my website or on Amazon. Thanks for listening.